Hagasan tarik mentau benai ke sengi ke belatip kum ke World Environment Day, ukonwet ke sangma Menteri Rangba ke Sorkar Jela, ulashim mentah ke jingthung ding ke belalong Hamadan Lom Shillong. Hagare ke si ukonwet ulai thu ba ke Sorkar Jela ke don ke jingthung ben peloi ke jingthung ding hakeleng keleng ke jaka jong kenong ba Shillong bat kum juru ha ke Jela hi Brockway, bat ke thumu ban thung ha kum ba news pa hektare e ke jaka hakini ke benai ke benwan.
We have been planning to go for mass afforestation in different parts of the state. We plan to cover close to 700 hectares in the coming months. And here we are in Maranlum Shillong area, where we have decided along with the Himalayan and the other local bodies and the leaders here to have a plantation of almost 33 hectares. This plantation will not be monocrop, but it will be a mixed, almost a forest which we are planning. So different species and varieties of trees will be planted, and the idea is to really grow these kind of small forests in different parts of the state. So therefore, this project is a 33-hectare project, and we are very hopeful that in the years to come, all this area behind us, which is barren, will be full of trees. So that's really what the project is, and we started off by planting the trees on an important day like World Environment Day, along with our Honorable Minister for Soil Conservation, Shri Hamletson Dolling, and the other officials from Soil Conservation.
Dagaji amir jumut lang berkinong penyat shnong jong kani ke shnong, ke Sorkar Jela Kalarai bantung bun jait ki jait ding hakani ke jaka.